Amazon replaces the plastic air pillows with recycled paper. Now, my question is, are they doing this for the greater good of the country, for energy, sustainability, and our environment? Or are they doing it just to rack up some PR brownie points? Amazon, yes, has chosen to shift from using plastic air pillows for packaging in North America to recycled paper, stating that it's more environmentally sound and works better. The company has already replaced 95% of the plastic air pillows with paper filler in North America and is working towards complete removal by the end of the year, in which the company's largest plastic packaging reduction efforts in the region, removing almost 15 billion plastic air pillows from use annually. Again, Amazon doesn't usually do things for the greater good of people or the world. They do them for this, the green stuff, and for other benefits and PR.